Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Huryee plug-in or hardwired LED under cabinet lights.
In the 36-inch kit, you'll receive 3 LED light bars, a power cord, illustrated instructions, 3 power connectors, and 3 pairs of wood screws for mounting the lights to your cabinets. These are the lights. They measure 12 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 1 inch thick. On one half of the light is a translucent white plastic diffuser, while the other half is a solid color plastic. There are 2 holes for the mounting screws to attach the fixture to your cabinets. On the left-hand side, you'll find the power level rocker with low and high power modes, and a 3-color setting toggle switch to select between warm white, neutral white, and cool white color modes. On the side nearest the controls is the female power port, and on the opposite side, under this plastic cap, is a pass-through male jumper connector which allows you to join multiple units together. On the back of the light, the power specifications are listed as 120 volts AC at 60 Hz, 0.05 amps, and 6 watts. It also notes not to connect more than 20 of these lights together. Here is the LED set to warm white at low power with its orangey glow. This is neutral white at low power, and this is cool white at low power, which has a slightly bluish hue. Here is the light at high power in cool white. This is neutral white, and this is warm white. To join 2 fixtures together, match the female side of the power connector to the male jumper connector on the fixture, and press together firmly. Then press the second light fixture's power input into the connector. You'll end up with a single light bar that's now 24 inches long. You can do this a second time with the third light fixture, so that you end up with one 36-inch long LED bar, so the set's length is customizable to suit your needs. Then to power the unit, attach the power cable to the female connector of the first light in the series, and plug it into any outlet. Note that when connected, each section of the light is still individually controlled using the switches for that section. That includes both power level and color temperature. So even when linked together in series, you'll need to turn them on and change their colors one at a time. If you don't want one long LED bar, and instead want to use all 3 units separately, you can purchase a pair of 12-inch jumper cables for the set. Instead of using the power connector to link the lights, we'll replace them with the jumper cable, which also has 1 male and 1 female end. The lights will function in the same way, sharing a power source, but still requiring individual control for each section using the switches for that light. You could also purchase separate power cords and use 1 outlet per LED fixture. Here are my cabinets prior to installing the under cabinet lights. You can see that it's dark and the workspace is hard to use because of it. When installing the lights, decide if you want the power cord on the left or right hand side and position accordingly. Then just insert the screws into the mounting holes and tighten them all the way using a Phillips screwdriver. Connect the fixtures using the connectors or jumper cables, and plug the unit into a nearby outlet. If you need to direct wire the lights, simply cut the plug off the power cable and attach the live and neutral wires to your internal wall wiring accordingly. I've decided on a right-hand side power installation, and since my cabinets are divided, use the jumper cables to connect the fixtures while hiding the excess cable between them. As you can see, from the front, due to the low profile of the lights, neither the fixture nor the wires are visible. Overall, this installation was quick and simple. The lights look great and are seamless with my cabinets, and now I can see my countertops clearly when prepping food and cooking. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.